Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you a Nigerian recipe called bean porridge. In the Yoruba speaking part of Nigeria, we call it riro. I'm going to be using my mom's recipe today, but with my own twist to it. I have 800 grams of brown beans. Is the onion beans, oloyin, all clean. Half a cup of palm oil. You can add more if you like, or you can reduce it. It depends on your taste. 2 teaspoons of salt. 3 medium size of onion. I'm going to blend with 1 plum tomato. If you have fresh tomato, you can use. I don't have it now, so I'm using this. 1 tatase, the red pepper. 2 scotch bonnet, atarodo. 2 stock cubes. 2 tablespoons of crayfish. If you don't have the crayfish, don't bother. It will still be nice. You can leave it out. Some people even use fish, stock fish, and smoked fish, and so on. I'm going to make it this way today. And for my twist, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of paprika powder. This will make the color to pop out. Also, I'll be using 1 tablespoon of chilli flakes. I like the bite of this when I'm eating the beans. I will use the last onion when I'm about frying the blended pepper. Now, for the beans, we have so many ways of cooking the beans. If you have the pressure cooker, you can use it, but make sure you follow the instruction of the pressure cooker. You can just wash it, put it in a pot, add enough water, and allow it to cook for a long time. That will take a long time. It can be like 1 hour or 1.5 hours, depending on the beans you use. But the last method I have for now is soaking the beans for about 6 to 8 hours. Off it goes in the pot. After 6 hours, I've poured the soaked beans inside the pot. I added like 4 cups of water and a little bit of salt to allow it to cook. Don't forget I'm using the soaked beans, so it's not going to cook for a long time. While that is cooking, I'm going to prepare the sauce. The palm oil will go in. I'm going to allow it to be a bit hot. Now the onions are going in. Remember the onion that I left behind. I slice it up. I'm going to stir it in. I'm going to stir it in. I will allow it to be translucent. I've let the onion cook. The aroma of the onion cooking in the palm oil is making me feel as if I'm in my mommy's kitchen. Oh, I love you, mama. I'm pouring in the ground pepper. You can hear the sound. And of course, my paprika powder. I'm going to add in the stock cube. Don't forget your salt to taste. I've allowed it to cook for like 10 minutes. and see how it looks like. The oil is surfacing. Now it's time for me to add my crayfish. I'm stirring in the crayfish.
5 minutes later.
Now it's done. Waiting for the beans. I've allowed the beans to cook for about 30 minutes. I'm going to check. It's very soft. It still has some water in it. Still has some water in it, but it's soft. If you are using white beans, you have to allow it to cook for longer. You keep on checking until it's very soft. Now I'm going to add the prepared sauce to it. Can you feel it already? I'm dancing. I'm going to stir together. You can see the color is changing. I'm going to cover it and allow to simmer for like 10 minutes. I'll keep on checking to know when exactly it's okay for me. I want to check if the seasoning is okay. That's nice. My chili flakes going in now. I said earlier that I allow it to go in when it's about 10 to 15 minutes for the beans to be cooked for about 10 to 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
This is how it looks like. You can see it's very soft now and the color is popping. Don't think I added more palm oil. No, I didn't. It's the what? It's the paprika powder. This is how I'm going to serve it. A riro with fried plantain, also known as dodo. My mom, she likes having hers with curry. She drinks the curry and the beans following it. So lovely. Or you sprinkle the curry on top like this and you mix it together. How many of you have done that before? I have, and I know, yeah, you have to. I've lost count of doing that. It's so yummy. Any way you want to go with it, just go on. Try this recipe at home. Let me know if my twist worked for you by commenting below. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.